More news coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis condemns comic Kamra. Comedian Kunal Kamra has been criticized by Devendra Fadnavis, who says won't tolerate Kamra insulting Shinde. Voters decided who is Gaddar, says Kamra doing Samvidhan drama like Rahul. Kamra abused free speech and must apologize, says Devendra Fadnavis, supporting his colleague within the government, his deputy Eknath Shinde.
कुणाल कामरा इन्होंने माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। वो जिस प्रकार से संविधान का फोटो दिखाकर ट्वीट कर रहे हैं, ये वही लाल संविधान है जो राहुल गांधी दिखाते हैं। ये राहुल गांधी का संविधान जो न राहुल गांधी ने पढ़ा है न कामरा ने पढ़ा है। ऐसे संविधान का फोटो निकालकर आपकी गलती को आप लेजिटिमेट नहीं कर सकते। राहुल गांधी का संविधान दिखाकर आप अपने कुकर्मों से नहीं बच सकते। जिस प्रकार से स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन कामरा इन्होंने एक गीत के माध्यम से महाराष्ट्र के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री और विद्यमान उप मुख्यमंत्री श्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी को अपमानित करने का प्रयास किया है, ये गलत है। हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं। ऐसी चीज़ों को सहन नहीं किया जा सकता। कामरा को मालूम होना चाहिए कि 2024 के चुनाव में जनता ने निर्णय कर दिया है कौन गद्दार है कौन खुद्दार है। और स्वर्गीय शिवसेना प्रमुख हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे जी की विरासत ये शिंदे जी के पास है। इस पर जनता की मोहर लगी है। तो कोई स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन खड़ा रहकर इस प्रकार से उनको गद्दार नहीं कह सकता।
I'm going straight across to Dipesh for more details on that story. Dipesh, at this point in time, a statement there from Devendra Fadnavis supporting his deputy in the government. But interesting that Ajit Pawar, another deputy, says that listen, vandalism isn't allowed. He's not spoken out in support of Eknath Shinde. Other than that, he's actually criticized the vandalism that was seen at the Habitat.
Sneha, the most important thing in this statement of Ajit Pawar and as well as Devendra Fadnavis, we have to see that they both have condemned the remark which was made by the Kunal Kamra on Eknath Shinde and NCP Ajit Pawar as well. But on the other hand, Devendra Fadnavis openly said that even though he has not supported the vandalism or he has avoided to speak on vandalism which was done to the Habitat studio, Devendra Fadnavis that anybody can comment on them, but there should be a limit and there should be a certain responsibilities while commenting on the others. Also, the derogatory statement which was made by the Kunal Kamra on the Eknath Shinde cannot be considered as freedom of speech, and the person who is responsible should be punished according to the law. This is the words which was used by the Devendra Fadnavis. Whereas on the other side, Ajit Pawar specifically said that he not commented on anything on vandalism, but he said that the Kunal Kamra statement was not right, and everybody should be responsible for what they say and they should be held accountable what they say. So yeah, definitely there are certain discrepancies which we see in the both the statements of the CM as well as the DCM, but they both are supporting in a kind of to the Eknath Shinde, and they are condemning. They are raising their oppose to the Kunal Kamra as well. The statement which was made by the Kunal Kamra.